Hey, Brim.
What? What?
Sorry, you'll be saying that soon enough.
What the fuck is that? What is that? Quit. Oh my god. I said, Brim, did you like that? Who is that so I can fucking mute them? Seriously? This is old. This is getting annoying. Quit.
Why is...
Ow! Quit! Man. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Quit!
What? What is going on?
Quit, I swear to god, I'm gonna like cut your dick off and feed it to you. Quit.
Who was it? Who's doing it?
I don't know. I seen a little U thing in LOHIM's fucking thing. Quit.
What the fuck's going on?
I keep hearing this fucking coughing thing and it's pissing me the fuck off. And like this green shit started showing up.
Wow, I just heard that. I don't know what the fuck that was.
That's why I keep hearing it and it's getting on my fucking nerve.
I heard it through your mic though. Is it in the server or something? Or in a server?
Yes, it's not in mine, it's in the fucking server.
Oh, I don't... What do you want me to do? Like, is there a way for me to do it?
I don't know how... Who the fuck's doing it? I don't know.
No idea. I'm not even in the server no more.
No, it's not in... It's not in... I'm out of the game. I'm in the vent server. I'm talking about it's in vent. Whoever is doing it is in fucking vent.
I'm sitting here looking at vent and nobody in here's coughing. You must have like 2 vents open.
No, I don't. I'm saying somebody's like sending me something. Oh my god! What? Who the fuck is that? Oh my god. Kiwi.
It's not me.
Do you hear that shit?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Get a new TV.
What the fuck? What's your fucking computer's tripping out?
No, it's not. It's somebody doing it to me. Oh my god.
Disconnect and reconnect. That's fucking weird. Did you hear that, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Fucking quit. Seriously, whoever is doing that, fucking quit. This is so fucking gay. Oh my god!
Alright, Death Wish.
Oh my god, what?
Somebody, like, something's spamming her or something, I don't know.
I don't even have her fucking...
It's in vent or some shit.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Invent? What the hell are you talking about? Wait, how can you spam someone in vent?
How can you spam someone in vent?
Fuck if I know?
Well, fuck if I know.